Ever eyed someone and thought, she's way out of my league? Time to bust that myth wide open. We're zeroing in on proven tricks to catch the eye of those unreachable crushes. No makeovers needed here. It's all about leveling up your natural charm. By the end of this video, you'll toss the whole league idea out the window. Armed with the right vibe and a dash of confidence, you're set to mingle with anyone. Ready to flip the dating script and make the so-called impossible, well, totally possible. Let's dive in and shake up those dating myths together. 1. Overcoming dating stereotypes. Tired of hearing about dating leagues? It's high time we ditch that outdated playbook. Honestly, who came up with these leagues? They're just unnecessary hurdles to genuine connections. Let's shatter this league myth. Believing in it is like waiting for the tooth fairy as an adult, quaint but pointless. In the dating game, you're not boxed into any league. You're navigating it freely. Emphasize what makes you stand out. Do you have a knack for making people laugh or whip up an impressive guacamole? Flaunt it. Confidence is about embracing your unique traits, not just showing off. Think of the dating scene as one grand social gathering. It's about mingling, sharing laughs, maybe even your famous guacamole recipe. The goal isn't to punch above your weight, but to connect with those who appreciate your peculiarities. Forget the idea of leagues. They belong in sports, not matters of the heart. It's time to champion authenticity and let genuine connections take the lead. 2. Expanding social dynamics. Looking to amp up your social game without going full-on Gatsby? It's all about quality connections over quantity. Think more dinner parties with close friends, less throwing confetti at strangers. Invite folks over for a night that might just become the stuff of legends, or at least really good group chats. Whether it's your world-class lasagna or a board game marathon, make it memorable. On the digital front, let your social media mirror your real-life charm. Share those moments that make your life uniquely yours, from the triumphs to the facepalm-worthy fails. Diving into new social circles and showing up for your crew does more than just expand your network. It enriches your story. You're not just collecting contacts, you're building a community where each person adds a new dimension to your life's narrative. This approach to social dynamics turns your life into a series of interconnected stories, where every interaction adds value, making your social fabric richer and more colorful. 3. Building inner confidence. Ready to supercharge your confidence? It's not just about a pep talk. It's about reprogramming the brain with a technique called cognitive reconditioning. Picture it as a brain boot camp, transforming doubts into confidence. Start with mindfulness, like being your own thought detective. Spot those negative thoughts that sneak in and flip them on their head. Turn, "I'm not engaging enough," into, "My perspectives are unique and captivating." Enter visualization. Imagine yourself owning social scenes with ease, your confidence shining. These mental rehearsals are like dress rehearsals for the main event, equipping you for real-life interactions. This journey to unshakable confidence is ongoing, a consistent practice of challenging negative thoughts and visualizing success. It's more than a dating strategy. It's about reshaping how you see yourself and engage with the world. 4. Intellectual flirting tactics. Embarking on intellectual flirtation is like engaging in a thrilling mind dance. It's where intellect intertwines with charm, transforming each conversation into an enthralling journey of discovery. This isn't mere chatter. It's an invitation into a world where ideas spark and curiosity flourishes. In this dance, it's about going deeper than casual talk, kindling the imagination and engaging the intellect. Share those enlightening moments and explore subjects that ignite mutual excitement, revealing layers of your thoughtfulness and depth. To navigate this art, dive into topics that fuel your passions, reflecting your curiosity and inviting her to unveil hers. This exchange isn't just about showcasing intellect. It's about forging a connection that vibrates with intellectual energy. Sprinkle your dialogue with humor and wit, transforming simple exchanges into captivating interactions. A clever quip or insightful comment can leave an indelible mark, highlighting your engaging presence. Active listening is key. Show that her thoughts captivate you, prompting a richer exploration of ideas. When she responds, embrace her views with eagerness, challenging her notions in a playful dance that deepens your connection, fostering a bond built on intellectual allure and mutual respect. 5. Embracing personal narratives. Ever ponder what makes you stand out? It's your unique story, a collection of experiences, passions, and even those quirky, unexpected moments that define you. Lean into these narratives, whether it was your impromptu salsa dance in front of a crowd or a road trip filled with peculiar sights. These stories add color to your persona. Share these moments with the excitement of uncovering a hidden gem. It's more than just recounting. It's about inviting others into the vibrant world of your experiences. Dialogue is crucial. As you unveil your chapters, be keen to immerse yourself in theirs. Envision it as weaving a tapestry together, where each thread is a tale that enriches the collective narrative. Embracing your personal stories isn't merely about sharing. It's about creating a space for reciprocal exploration and bonding, one story at a time. 6. Enhancing charismatic appeal. Keen on upping your charisma without the Hollywood flair? It's less about the exterior and more about the magnetic energy you emit. Charisma is your secret weapon in social arenas, and the best part? It's within your grasp to enhance. Active listening. Approach conversations with the enthusiasm of tuning into your favorite podcast. Eye contact, attentive nods, and genuine engagement can make others feel like they're in the spotlight. Body language mastery. Adopt a confident stance, offer sincere smiles, and maintain an open posture. These nonverbal cues are your silent yet powerful invitations for others to engage. The art of storytelling. Transform your anecdotes into enthralling narratives. A touch of humor, a dash of drama, and your unique perspective can turn ordinary tales into captivating sagas. Emotional acuity. Fine-tune your ability to read and resonate with the emotional undertones of interactions. This empathetic connection can smooth out the conversational waves, creating a harmonious exchange. Subtle confidence. True confidence is an understated acknowledgement of your value. Let your poise and authenticity shine, allowing your character to speak volumes. Charisma isn't about reinventing yourself. It's about amplifying the best aspects of your persona, making every interaction a testament to your inherent appeal. 7. The art of engaging stories. Storytelling is akin to casting a spell that forges connections and draws people closer. It's more than narrating events, it's about enveloping both of you in a narrative that stirs the soul and fosters a deeper bond. Focus on the heart of the story, weaving in details and emotions that bring your narrative to life. Showing your willingness to share your inner journey adds an irresistible allure to your tales. Your stories, brimming with personal passions, adventures, and triumphs, unfold the rich tapestry of your character, inviting her to explore the depths of your being. But the enchantment lies not just in the story, but in its delivery. Eye contact, expressive modulation, and responsiveness to her cues can transform a simple recount into an immersive experience. As she engages with your stories, reciprocate by welcoming her narratives. This exchange isn't just storytelling, it's building a bridge of shared experiences and mutual insight. 8. Cultivating emotional depth. Delving into emotional depth is about getting cozy with the heart's intricate layers. It's like being an emotional Sherlock Holmes, decoding the mysteries of feelings within ourselves and others. Emotional intelligence is your trusty magnifying glass here, helping you spot and understand the whirlwind of emotions swirling around. The adventure starts with a deep dive into your own emotional sea. It's about spotting an emotion, figuring out where it's coming from, and steering it gently. But it's also about tuning into others' emotional waves, catching their vibes with the finesse of a good DJ. Sharing your soft spots is part of the journey, but it's all about timing and trust. Think of it as opening a window to your soul, just enough to let some light in. This builds a cozy nook where emotions can kick back and relax. Empathy is your North Star, guiding you to see the world from someone else's viewpoint, feeling what they feel. This isn't just about understanding. It's about connecting on a whole new level.